Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today's tutorial is on how to make this simple instant hijab in 5 minutes, and it is a multi-purpose hijab. So you can use it long, you can drape it, and if you just happen to stumble upon this video, welcome to my channel. And on this channel I make DIY videos on modest wears, any type hijabs, jobabs, maxi dresses, abayas, and so many other things. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be working with 1 yard to 1 meter fabric, and you can always increase the length of this hijab or decrease the length depending on what you want. But for this tutorial, the length I'm working with is 35 inches or 90 centimeter for the front hijab length, and then 40 inches or 1 or 2 centimeter for the back hijab length. And I'm using 1 yard to 1 meter jersey fabric. So the first thing I did is to fold my fabric into 2. Then after folding into 2, I'm going to take my back hijab length and I'm going to be marking 35 inches or 90 centimeter there. So I'm just going to mark that all around to the other edge. So after marking all that, I just connected it and I'm just going to cut it out. So after cutting out, we should have this. So the next thing I'm just going to do is to divide my edge circumference by 2. So my edge circumference is 20 inches. So 20 divided by 2, that's 10 inches or 25 centimeter. So I'll just go ahead and mark that there. So after marking that, the next thing I'm going to do is just to form my front hijab length. So I'll just go ahead and make a diagonal line of 25 inches or 64 centimeter. So for this part now, if you are plus size, you can decide to make the wideness more than mine is, or you can just leave it like this. So I'm just going to connect that, after which I'm going to make a connection to the back edge of my fabric. So I'll just go ahead and make a curve to join the back edge there, after which I'm going to cut it out. So after cutting out, we should have something like this. So the next thing I'm just going to do is to come to my remaining fabric and then cut the hijab cap. So for the hijab cap now, from the remaining fabric, I'll just go ahead and fold this into 4. After folding into 4, for my hijab cap length, I'll be using 10 inches or 25 centimeter, and then for the breadth, I'm going to be using 4 inches or 10 centimeter. So I'll just go ahead and connect the 2 points together, and then I'm going to cut it out. After which I'm just going to notch the midpoints. So we should have something like this for hijab cap. So what I'm going to do now is just to attach the hijab cap to the hijab piece. So to attach that properly now, I'm going to open up my hijab piece. So I'm taking note of the notched part there, and then I'm going to place the hijab cap on it, right side facing each other, and I'm going to start pinning from the notched part. So I'm just going to join that way. So after joining, I'm going to have something like this. So the next thing I'm just going to do is to stitch the front part of my hijab. So I'm just going to close up the front part. So after closing up, we'll have something like this. So the last and final thing I'm just going to do is just to hem the edges of the hijab, and then I'm going to overlook the inside. So that's all for this simple hijab. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if you do, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section below. And if you have a dress you want me to make a tutorial on, probably maxi dress or jilbab or hijab, I'm going to be dropping my Instagram account in the community post, so you can check that out and then DM me the image. So this is just me trying it on and then trying different styles with it. And if you really like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.